Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering what you need: the exact Penguin Paradise version, a trusted mod archive, and an installer tool. Why? Because mismatched versions break assets and saves. Once done, make sure to copy the entire game folder. Backups let you revert in seconds. Next, verify the archive integrity with the checksum so you avoid corrupted files. Then open your installer tool and point it at the downloaded archive. That kicks off the first unpack step and prepares files for injection. You now handle the complex middle steps: extraction, selective replacement, and indexing. First, extract mod content into a temporary folder so you can inspect files. Why inspect? To avoid overwriting core engine files accidentally. Once inspected, copy only the files named in the mod manifest into the game's mods or assets directory. Then run the provided patcher to update the resource index and rebuild caches. This step ensures the game recognizes new assets and prevents crashes related to missing entries. Finish by validating and knowing how to recover. You should launch Penguin Paradise in safe or debug mode so you can see mod load order and error logs. This confirms the install. If the game crashes or objects don't appear, restore your backup immediately, then reinstall mods one at a time to isolate the offender. Make sure versions remain matched and rerun cache rebuilds after any change. These steps fix most issues. A single troubleshooting tip: always check the game log for missing file paths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.